This video will show you how to install your niche websites. The first thing you want to do is get a hold of FileZilla. To get that, go to filezilla-project.org. Now, all you do is click on Download FileZilla Client, and once you do that, simply install it on your computer, and you'll have this. So when you got your hosting account, they gave you the information you need to use FTP. And in my case, it's the domain name and the username, the password, and the port number is almost always 21. Then you just do the quick connect, and what you see in this window are the files that are on your server under your domain name. You'll want to enter this folder called public_HTML. That's where all the files go. In some cases, web hosts call that folder by a different name, so you want to check with your information that you received from your host. But in many cases, it's public_HTML. Let's just minimize this for a minute. And here we have the package for the landscaping website. So we have to unzip that. And the unzipping process is covered in another video. So you end up with a folder containing all the files. Now we won't need the zip file anymore, so let's push that aside. So basically you have FileZilla for the FTP service, and you have your niche website folder. Open the folder, and open that folder, and you'll see a folder called Website. Open that, and all the files you see here will be uploaded to your server through the FTP. Before we upload them though, we want to do one thing. Go into your custom folder, and open the index.php in your notepad. And don't let all this scare you. All you have to do is look for where it says change this password, select that, and don't touch the quotes on each side of it, just the words, and put your own password in there. So for the sake of this example, I'm just going to use 12345. Then save it. Close that, and now we can upload all these files that are inside the website folder. So let me slide this out of the way. We'll get our FTP program back. There it is. And all we have to do is grab all of these files and folders and just drag them over. Once you've uploaded all the files, which takes approximately 90 seconds, sometimes a little bit longer, sometimes less, depending on your own connection and web speed, the site is completely installed. But now we want to go into the dashboard of the website to choose the settings that we like. So here we are at the website we just uploaded. And now that the website is installed, we can use the dashboard to customize. We'll cover the dashboard in the next video.